Welcome back to Elegant Kitchen and Bath Concepts. Today we're shifting focus from kitchens to bathrooms, specifically the luxurious walk-in shower. Walk-in showers define upscale bathrooms, but poor planning creates expensive problems. Water leakage, inadequate drainage, uncomfortable temperatures, and wasted space. Let's explore the most common pitfalls and how to avoid them.
Walk-in showers seem straightforward. What could go wrong?
More than you'd imagine. A beautiful walk-in shower requires coordinating waterproofing, drainage, glass, tile, fixtures, ventilation, and spatial planning. At USA Cabinet Store, we've seen costly mistakes that could have been prevented with proper planning. Let's walk through the major pitfalls.
What's the first mistake people make?
Pitfall number 1. Inadequate waterproofing.
This is the most expensive mistake. Some contractors skimp on waterproofing membranes or don't extend them high enough up the walls. Walk-in showers without proper barriers leak water into wall cavities, causing mold, rot, and structural damage. Proper waterproofing requires full pan liner systems, waterproof membranes on walls extending at least 6 feet high, and careful sealing around all penetrations. Never compromise here. It's hidden, but absolutely critical.
What about the shower floor itself?
Pitfall number 2. Poor drainage planning.
Inadequate slope leads to standing water, uncomfortable and unsanitary. The shower floor must slope at least 1/4 inch per foot toward the drain. Linear drains require even more precise slope planning. Some designers place drains too close to the entry, creating awkward step-downs, or too far away, requiring excessive slope. The drain should be positioned to naturally direct water flow without creating trip hazards or uneven walking surfaces.
Glass enclosures seem simple. What issues arise?
Pitfall number 3. Insufficient splash protection.
Frameless glass looks stunning, but some configurations don't contain water effectively. A glass panel alone, without door or curb, allows spray to escape into the bathroom. The showerhead position, spray angle, glass height and width, and entry configuration must work together to contain water. Showerheads should be positioned so spray angles away from openings. Glass should extend at least 6 inches beyond showerhead on both sides.
What about the entry? Curbless showers are popular.
Pitfall number 4. Improper curbless transition.
True curbless showers require significant floor modification. The shower floor must be lower than the bathroom floor to prevent water escape. Some contractors don't drop the floor enough or fail to create proper slope across the threshold. The result? Water flowing into your bathroom. Curbless showers also need larger drainage capacity and absolutely perfect waterproofing. If your floor structure can't accommodate the necessary drop, a low-profile curb is safer than a poorly executed curbless design.
Size seems important. What mistakes do people make?
Pitfall number 5. Undersized shower dimensions.
Some walk-in showers are too small for comfortable use. Minimum recommended size is 36 inches by 36 inches, but upscale showers should be at least 48 inches by 60 inches for true luxury and comfort. Smaller showers feel cramped, especially with multiple shower heads or rain fixtures. You need elbow room to move, bend, and enjoy the experience. Don't sacrifice comfort for space elsewhere in the bathroom.
What about ventilation? That often gets overlooked.
Pitfall number 6. Inadequate ventilation.
Even with perfect waterproofing, moisture needs to escape. Insufficient ventilation causes mildew, condensation, and eventually mold growth. Bathrooms need exhaust fans rated for the room size, minimum 1 cubic foot per minute per square foot of bathroom space, more for large showers with steam features. The fan should be positioned to effectively remove moist air and vent to the outside. never into an attic. Consider adding a window or additional ventilation specifically for large walk-in showers.
Tile selection must factor in, right?
Pitfall number 7. Wrong tile choices.
Large format tiles look beautiful, but create challenges in showers. Bigger tiles mean fewer grout lines for grip, slippery and dangerous. Shower floors need smaller tiles, 2-inch or mosaic, providing texture and slip resistance. Some natural stones become dangerously slick when wet. Choose tiles rated for wet areas with adequate texture. Also consider maintenance. Highly textured tiles trap soap scum requiring more cleaning effort.
What about the placement of fixtures and features?
Pitfall number 8. Poor fixture positioning.
Shower heads placed incorrectly spray water toward glass openings or create dead zones. Multiple shower heads without proper planning waste water and create conflicting spray patterns. Body sprays positioned at uncomfortable heights or angles. Benches placed where they interfere with spray or create awkward layouts. Before finalizing fixture positions, consider user height, spray patterns, and water containment. USA cabinet store designers use 3D visualization to test fixture placement before installation.
Built-in storage seems important. What's the pitfall there?
Pitfall number 9. Inadequate or poorly placed storage.
Niches built too small, too high, or in locations where water pools. Some contractors build niches in exterior walls without proper insulation, causing cold spots and condensation. Niches need proper waterproofing, adequate size for shampoo bottles, and placement within easy reach. Consider including corner shelves or multiple niches for families with various products. Glass shelves should be tempered and properly supported.
What about heating and comfort?
Pitfall number 10. Ignoring temperature control.
Large walk-in showers can feel cold, especially with high ceilings and lots of glass. Consider radiant floor heating. Transforms the shower experience. Heated towel bars nearby add comfort. Some homeowners install steam features without proper sealing and waterproofing. Steam requires different specifications than standard showers. If adding steam, work with contractors experienced in steam shower installation, including proper sealing, sloped ceiling, and steam generator placement.
How does lighting factor into walk-in shower success?
Pitfall number 11. Poor lighting design.
Showers need both general lighting and accent lighting. Recessed fixtures should be rated for wet locations. Insufficient lighting makes the shower feel cave-like and unsafe. Consider LED strips under benches or in niches for ambiance. Natural light from windows is wonderful, but requires privacy solutions and careful waterproofing around window openings.
What's USA Cabinet Store's role in avoiding these pitfalls?
We coordinate with experienced bathroom contractors and designers who understand walk-in shower complexities. Our team helps you plan spatial layout, select appropriate materials, position fixtures properly, and create 3D visualizations showing how everything works together. We connect you with trusted contractors who prioritize proper waterproofing, drainage, and code compliance. With 16 showrooms nationwide and experience since 2011, we've seen what works and what fails.
Final advice for homeowners planning walk-in showers?
Don't cut corners on waterproofing, drainage, or ventilation. These prevent expensive future problems. Work with experienced professionals who've built numerous walk-in showers successfully. Invest in proper planning and 3D visualization before construction begins. And remember, a beautiful walk-in shower that leaks or drains poorly isn't beautiful for long.
Visit USA Cabinet Store in Fairfax or any of our locations to discuss your upscale bathroom project. Our team provides expert guidance, creating walk-in showers that are both stunning and functionally perfect.
Thanks for joining us on Elegant Kitchen and Bath Concepts. Next episode, we'll explore luxury bathroom vanity selection. Until then, plan carefully and design beautifully.